One, we live. What's up, everyone? How you guys doing? Whatever part of the world you are joining in from, you can type in your location so that we can start the session right now. This is the Go Forex, and we're going big. We're going live. So like, if you're here, drop in your location. Tell us where you're joining from so that we can begin. So currently, we have one person that's here so far, and concurrent viewers. We are waiting on more viewers, and we are anticipating more viewers. So let's just give them a few seconds for them to tune in. Like we delay, and we are really sorry for that. We apologize for the delay. Yeah, yeah, like amazing, amazing, Gabriel, amazing. Yeah, Gabriel, like welcome, 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 Mr. Gabriel. Uh, Thank you for joining us. Thank you for being here with us today. We are so excited to have you with us, and we can't wait to start this session. We're just currently waiting for like three more people to join this so that we can start at least like few more people, few more participants, so that we can go ahead. Yeah, 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 brother. Like, can't wait to start now. Can't wait to start. So let me just go on my screen right here so that we can start to go. So yeah, I don't know if you can see my screen. If my screen is clear, just type one in the chat box. If my screen is clear, you can type one. If my screen is clear, you can just type one in the chat box so that we can. Yeah, amazing, 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 amazing. So currently, right now, like I told you, I sent out a signal in a group that our price this is on gold. I was anticipating the price gonna spike up here, which it will be reaching that very soon, and then we are going to take this here. So currently right now we are just waiting for price to reach our level. I'm very positive that it will reach here, like price will reach here. Let me just go on Forest Factory to see what's going on right now. Uh, there will be news that will be dropping in the next few minutes from now. This news right here is going to be dropping. So I show this news. 6 o'clock news going to take that chart up a bit. The market is going to be crazy today. Like today the market is going to be crazy. So be careful, guys. Stay out of the market for now. Wait after this new drop, then we can enter. After this new drop, we will enter. Okay. So currently, right now, as you can see, it's like 450 over here. So like within the next hours from now, this new will be dropping. It's going to be crazy. Like yesterday, CPR dropped, and you saw how the chart moved. So yesterday, CPR dropped, and like it was how crazy the market was yesterday on this move on CPR. Like we're able to catch some good pips. I think we entered somewhere around here, and then like we're able to make something big yesterday. So similar move like this is going to be happening very soon. So so just stay tuned and be watching your chat. Be watching your chat. Once the new drop, we're going to all enter live together. I wish that I don't know if we'll have that time to be live, but if we have that time, we're all going to be live taking this straight together. Okay. So So corner right now we have just one participant. Oh, four persons watching. Oh, amazing, amazing. So we're just waiting for them to join. Let us give them a few more minutes so that they can tune in so that we can start this session. Okay, today we are just going to be talking about the beginner session. Like, I just want to run over a few of these things because the last time we went over them, but then people started coming into the mentorship. They were asking a lot of questions about what is Forex and all these things. So, like, we just want to give them the benefit of the doubt so for us to go over it so that we don't have this kind of issue. We've been going live, but it was always on Google Meet. So right now we decided that we're going to be using our YouTube, so at least the video can be saved. So for people that will join the mentorship later on, will be able to have access to this beginner course. So I think we can start now. We can start the course now, Nathan.
Yes, we can start. Let's start, guys.
So I'm just going to show us so like you guys can see us. We're going to be. I know most of you guys don't know us that well, so we are going to be doing some introduction. Where are we from, and how long we've been trading in the market, so that you guys can get familiar with us. Okay. So Nathan, like we can go now. Uh, guys, my name is Alexander Newland. I was born in Liberia, born and raised in Liberia, West Africa, but currently I'm staying in India. I'm a student here in India, and I've been trading forex for like about 3 years now, and it's been an up and down journey. It wasn't easy. It has not been easy, but over time, over time, we were able to master the skill and like we were able to find our edge within the market, and that's what we have been using from time to time to kill this market back to back. You guys have been seeing our results. If you are not in the mentorship, I want you to, or we are going to be pinning the link for the mentorship so that you can join. It's free. It's free. You're not going to pay a dime. It's 100% free. And there's my buddy right here. You can
Yeah.
introduce
Yeah.
yourself.
What's up, guys? Yeah, it's Nathan Boomer right here. Yeah. As my brother was saying, yeah, we are forex trader and we do trade gold and GBP USD. Yeah, as you guys know, the goal is to battle poverty. I'm always against poverty. We are against poverty. So, this is our first section live, and like we realized that we don't want like new players to be asking us so many questions, like beginner questions. So we are sorry. Gradually, we are going to go in deeper, deeper, deeper. But today, like my brother was giving you guys the analysis, what we are expecting on goal. Yeah, and like but that we can do that, but the entire course gonna be about like beginner section, like what is forex and stuff like that. Margin level it's actually important. Even please like stay there and watch up. Maybe you might learn something new. We all started like
Sure,
that.
sure.
So like you can share the link to your friends, guys. Share the link, let them join. We don't like it's okay. Even 10 or 20 people here, it's okay. But at least share the link, let them benefit from this. Yeah, and yeah, yeah. Let's just wait for maybe like 5 minutes, then we can start off.
Yes, of course.
Yeah.
We are just going to wait for 5 more minutes. We'll start. If there's coming, they'll come and join us. And like as I said, it's gonna be saved on this our YouTube channel. So like you can come whenever and watch it. If you are not understanding anything, you can repeat the video over and over again. So more of introduction. We have been trading, like I said, for the past 3 years now, and like we are still pushing, we are still moving. It was not an easy journey. Like we got introduced to trading. As for me, I got introduced to trading when I back then in 2016. But then it wasn't forex at that time. I was doing a binary option. If you don't know what binary option is, it's like a form of trading, but it's like it's fraudulent. You understand? And like it's almost like as for me, I would say it's like gambling. Like binary was like gambling. But then when I came in India, I met this friend of mine. He's from South Africa, and he was the one that uh brought the forest thing to us. Back then when we was still staying on the hostel, like studying about forex, or here there are some guys that's doing this thing online. They're making money from it, and like like yeah, this guy is rich. They have so much money. And he was even sure a whole lot. Some of those guys, like some of them, he showed us was Dr. Redwin. He was one of those guys that insured back then, and like we've been following him ever since. We've been like getting inspired, we've been getting motivated and all that. And like we got hooked to it. As for me, I was the one that actually got hooked to it because I was really into it, you know, because back then I was doing trading, but it was binary. It was almost like gambling. But when I discovered Forex, I was like, yeah, this is the real deal. I need to do this. So yeah, so I was doing it over time. My buddy here, we all joined, and like it was crazy. We lose a hell a lot of money, but then over time we were able to master the skill set, and then now we are here to you guys, willing to give you guys this for free, willing to teach you guys for free. Uh, there are a whole lot of mentors out there that is going to like teach you, but they are going to be requesting for some kind of fees. But we are doing this totally for free. We are not asking for anything. All we need is just people with serious mind that are willing to learn this thing. So yeah.
Yeah, thank you very much. Thank you, Mr. Newland. Yeah, what I want to say, guys, like, I don't, for those of you who in the mentorship, who in the VIP or group chat, like, I don't want you feel oppressed. No matter what, how much you see those signals, those results, we are posting them, they are real. But don't be oppressed. Don't be desperate. If you are desperate, trust me, it's not even going to take you 1 month, you will quit. We are speaking
Sure.
for experience. It's not going to take you 1 month. Guarantee you're going to quit. But the only thing you can do is wait. Be kind. If even we start the beginner section, even you know it, learn it, guys. Like we know what we are telling you guys. Take your own time. Forest is not going to end right now. It's not even going to end
Of
because
course.
if forest is going to end, then the whole world is going to collapse. Like they're going to use one currency, and it's not possible. How can the whole world use single currency? So those are the things, those are the psychology mind you should be having in you. Like you can look at the result, you can see the result and got inspired. You can be inspired like, oh no, like I mean those guys are doing it. I mean we can do it too. You learn, and gradually you listen to the mentor. Yeah, you know like because like the reason you do mentorship is like for your mentors to guide you through because he has faith to the extent that like everything he teach you, all the failures become a lesson. You know there is certain level of failure you can acquire. Like everything from that failure is a lesson. So that all those things that you will craft your mentee so that they should not repeat the mistake. So please don't be discouraged. This is how we're going to start it. We are not going to just jump into strategies, how we've been getting the market. No, it's not going to work like that. You just gotta stay calm and like you follow it gradually. We are going to expose every secret we learn from our past mentorship, the failure, how what make us to fail, everything. We're gonna go in deeper. But you have to stay consistent, please. If you stay consistent, you will see the benefit. No matter how much stop loss you hit, keep learning. Right now, if you don't know nothing about forex, it's not guaranteed. Don't put your money, don't put live money there. Start with demo. Even demo. Don't just enter with it. Don't just give it a higher, maybe like 10,000 demo account. No. If you are making demo account, it should be the amount you have in it to trade. So like you will master your what your loss. But anyways, I don't want to worry so much. I was just using this time to see, but now I think we are about like 8, 9. Yeah, like yeah. So we noticed that some of you guys are from Africa and other people from different countries because of data and other things. So we don't want to consume so much of time. I think we can start the teaching, right?
Yeah,
Yeah.
sure. So right now I'm going to be going on the stream. So I'm just going to pause this right now. So yeah, this is my screen right here. Currently, I'm anticipating a push up here, and then we are going to enter the stream. So for now, let's just go directly into what we came here to do. Uh, I know most of you guys asking what is Forex, what is Forex, what is Forex. Forex is nothing but the foreign exchange market. like whatever part of the world, like one way somehow you are being engaged into this forex trade. Okay, forex is nothing but exchanging one currency for another currency. You understand? Like for example, if you are staying what in whatsoever country you are and you move to another country, once you reach in that country, you want to use the local currency of that country. So in that case, you have to change the currency you brought into that country to the local currency of that country. So in that process, you are doing forex. Okay, so if you hear the word forex, it's mean foreign exchange. Okay, that's how I call it short. Or you can say FX. Okay, so like I said, it's the buying and selling of two currency. And right now, currently, Forex is the largest financial market in the entire world. It's the biggest with over $6.6 trillion in circulation within a day. So like this market is very huge, guys. So like there's a whole great potential within this market that you can actually make your dream come true. Because like within a day we have over like $6.6 trillion within circulation. That is so much money for everyone to benefit from. Okay, like even if the whole world decide to trade forex, there will still be a whole lot money within this market that everyone can benefit from. Okay, so with forex, it doesn't need like no physical location. You can be any part of the world and participate in forex trading. Like you don't need to be in a specific area. You can be whether in Africa, Asia, United States, in any part of the world and do forex trading. So actually like we went over this course before, but I just want to, give those guys uh the benefit of the doubt that just starting. Like most of them they are beginner, like they are always asking about these kind of things. That's why we're just going over there. So we're going to take our time to go over there as fast as we can in a way that you guys can understand them, okay? Anything you guys don't understand, you guys can then reach out to us at any time. So, what are some of the benefits of trading forex? There are a lot of benefits in trading forex, a whole lot. Like number one, forex give you your own financial freedom. With forex trading, once you are a professional forex trader, you are learning it, you are master it. Like you have financial freedom. I'm guarantee you that. And another benefit is that it will give you time freedom. Like you can do anything you want to do. You have your whole time. You don't have to work for anyone. You can be any part of the world and trade and make your money. You don't have to work for anyone. It gave you your whole time. It gave you everything. You understand? And and one of the benefits for it have a very high potential of changing your life. Like within a year, Forex can actually change your life. I'm being real with you guys. Like I'm a living proof to that. Back then, like it was such a roller coaster ride for us. But since we got introduced in the forex trading, we have been doing very well. Like very well. Like our life, we are seeing some changes. Like gradually, we are seeing some changes. So not to waste much time on that, I'm going to be to discussing the market participant. So like you are here about forex, like it can change your life, it can do this, it can do that. So who are some of those people that participate into this forex trading? Okay. Uh there are a whole lot of participants within forex trading. One of the main participants of forex trading are banks. Okay. Banks are one of the main participants of forex trading. Like, I know some of you guys can be wondering, like, how do banks make their money and all this kind of stuff. The banks actually use your money and trade it within the forex market. You understand? And like, moreover, like, they are dealing with currencies. So like, they use their money and put it in the forex market and make profit. So some of you guys can be saying, "Oh, forex is a scam. Forex is gambling." No, it's not. If forex is scam is gambling, then why is it that banks are using your money to trade forex? You understand? It's not a scam, it's not gambling. It's just something that you need to learn. And once you learn it, you can make a whole lot of money from it. So another participant of forex are brokers. Okay, brokers. A broker is nothing but It's the broker perform like a bank. They are like a middleman between an individual trader and the foreign exchange market. Like you deposit your money with the broker, and then they will give you access to trade on the foreign exchange market. Okay, so brokers, they are one of the major participants of forex trading. Like you deposit money to them so that you can be able to trade the forex market. We'll discuss that more. Okay, so like I'm just want to run over this thing as fast as I can in a way that you guys can understand it. And another participant of forex trading is central banks. Almost every central bank in the world participate in forex trading. What are the central bank of Liberia, Ghana, India, the Federal Reserve of America? They all participate in forex trading, but they are not trading. Okay, they are not there to trade. Their duty is just to to oversee the market. Like their duty is to have control over the currency within the market. As you all guys are aware that the central bank of every country, their duty is to what control their currency on the market. Okay, so the central banks, what they do, they are the one that determine the rates of their currency. So their duty is to what control their currency from inflations, from a whole lot of things. Okay, so they also participate in the forex market. So another participant in the forex market is the investors. Investors, the whole role is just to look for investment opportunity within the forex space, or mostly like they do trade, they give money to traders so that traders can trade for them, or they use or the forex market to determine the future of potential or GDP of a country. Like they use forex to determine, like once you know how to trade forex, you'll be able to analyze the market, and then you know that or the potential of in a certain currency to know if that currency is going to be strong or if that currency is going to be weak. So that's how investors get information about a country currencies by simply what participating in the forex industry. And another participant of the forest industry are individuals. Individual like you and myself. We are all participants in the forest industry. We come there, we trade it, we exchange our currency to another currency if we travel, like if we leave from another country to go to another country. The moment you reach at that country airport that you are arriving to, if you are coming with your own currency, you have to change your currency to the local currency of that country. So in that process, you are participating in the forex, okay? So and also we individuals, we also trade. There are individual traders that mostly go in the forex market to trade. So not to waste much time on that, I'm just going to talk about base and code currency. Base and code currency is simply the currency that you have and the currency that you want to exchange the currency you have for. Let's say for example, I have uh Great British Pound and I want to change my Great British Pound to US dollars. So which means my Great British Pound that I have is my base currency, and the US dollars that I want to exchange the British Pound for is the code currency. Okay. So the reason you see in GDP, which stand for Great British Pound, is the ISO code for it, which stand for International Standard Organization. Each country have their own ISO code. For US dollar, the ISO code is USD. For euro, it's EUR. For Liberian dollars, it's LRD. And for Indian rupees, it's INR. These are the ISO code. Not to waste much time on this. It's not that much that important. We're just going to run through this. The next thing I want to talk about is the forest market hours. We have about 3 sessions. It's like four, but like I just break it down into three. We have the Asian session, we have the London session, we have the New York session. Like these are various sessions within the market, and like each session have the way they move, and each session have the way they operate. You understand? So that's why like some currency pair do well in certain sessions. Like for GDP USD or Great British Pound. If I come right here to my chart, Let me just clear this chart. Okay, like for Great British Pound for the against the US dollars, uh, they have to wait the move in certain sessions. Okay, so like there are various sessions in the forex space. We have the Asian, the London, and the New York. But all these things they are important, but like you need to know them. So that's why I want to take my time to make sure you understand them. Okay. So like sometimes that's why like most traders like they get confused. They will be like, what is it that I make money at this time and then like at this time I'm losing money. It's because they have real session in the market. The more you trade, the more you start to understand that there are certain hours in the market where the market is not moving at all. The market is completely still. Like it doesn't move because that currency pair is not being really being traded off in that session. That's why the market is not moving. You understand? So like if you're someone that loves trading the USD pair, or you should focus mainly on the New York session and the London session, but mostly the New York session. Like for me, like for us, we trade GDP, USD, and gold. There's only two currency pair we trade. This and this. So mostly like for GDP, since the Great British Pound and you know Great Britain is in London, so like we trade it in the London session, and for gold we trade gold for in the New York session. Okay, that's the time like gold really move, and that's the time we make the most out of the market. So we'll explain this much more in details as we move further. We will like send a special video breaking down all these sessions and all these things. Well, if you want to know which session you are trading in, it's very simple. All you gotta do is come to your chart right here. If you are a beginner trader, don't get yourself confused with this. But if you are intermediate trader, this is what you do. For beginner trader, we'll send a special video where we'll be explaining how to use this platform right here. Don't get yourself confused. We are just rushing through these things. So if you don't know the trading session you are in, you can come here and you can use this indicator. It will tell you the exact trading session you're in. You just click on it and you come to your chart. As you can see, right now it's telling me we are in the London session. As you can see right here, London. And we're in the East Asian session. Asian session is not over. We are in the London session. So that's how you know the session that you're currently in, okay? All right, not to waste time with this, let's move on. Okay, I want to talk about pips. Most of you guys don't know what is pip, what pip is. Pip is nothing but the movement of the forex market. Forex market move in pips. You understand? Like the movement from here to here, we consider it as pips. You understand? So maybe the market was at this point right here, and then the market moved from here to here. We call this movement as a pips, okay? So if you don't understand it, that's the meaning of pips. And how to calculate pips, we'll go more on that on intermediate session. We just want to make this session fast and what in a way that you guys can understand it. So I'm just gonna run through how to calculate pips. If you want to calculate pips, all you gotta do is come right here. You click this measure tool, and then you click and drag to know how many pips the market has moved. Currently, this market has moved about 14.16 pips from here to here. So if we say the market is moving, or like the market is moving 10 pips in our direction, 20 pips in our direction, which means I mean like from the point of entry to where the market is. That's the meaning of pips, okay? So let's move down to spread. Spread is nothing but the difference between the bid and the ask. Okay. So let me come here. Let me open this my broker. Just give me 1 second so that I can explain what a spread is. Also make guys to understand it. Okay. Uh I'm bringing a screen right here. Okay. So some of you guys asking what is spread. So a spread is nothing but the difference between the buy and the sell price. That's the spread. The difference between buy and sell. Okay? Like in between here. This is the spread. This is where the broker get their commission on every trade you take. This space in between here we'll consider as the spread, and this is where broker get their commission. But don't worry yourself with all these things, or we'll get more into that later. Okay? So let's just go down. Another thing I want to talk about is lot size. Lot size is the number of currency unit you are willing to buy or sell at a particular time. So let's say you want to enter a trade, and you want to know like how many of this currency I'm buying or how many of this currency I'm selling. You understand? Or we buy and sell currency in lot sizes. There are various type of lot sizes. We have the standard lot, we have mini lot, macro, and nano lot. So let's say if you are buying 100,000 unit of a specific currency, so which means like if you are buying 100,000 unit of US dollars, that is going to be considered as a standard lot size. So which means the volume is going to be 1.00, and for each pip the market move, you are going to either be gaining $10 or losing $10. Like I said, pips is the movement of the forex market, the market moving pips. Okay. So if so far like you are understanding anything I'm saying, I just want you to type one in the chat box so that I can continue. If you are understanding anything I'm saying, just type one in the chat box so I can continue. Okay, amazing. All right, good. So like I said, lot sizes is the what? The amount of currency you are willing to buy or sell at a particular time within a forest space. Okay. So let's say I take a trade, and I want to to buy or sell a particular currency. You understand? So in order, let me just open my broker once more so that I can demonstrate this for you properly. Okay. So up here, as you can see on my screen right here, or let's say if I want to buy 100,000 unit of US dollar against Great British pound. So I'm just going right here. I'm just going to type in the volume for that, which is going to be 1.00. Once I click buy or sell, I'm going to be entering with what? A standard lot size. You understand? So we have a mini lot size, we have micro lot size, and we have nano lot sizes. But most broker nowadays, uh, they don't really consider nano lot size nowadays. So you'll not be finding nano lot size on your broker that much. So we're just going to skip through all this thing. We have been through all this thing before, and like I don't want to waste time on all these things. I'm sure most of you guys here in this course, you guys are intermediate trader. You guys have knowledge on all of these things. So I don't want to waste time on all these things. Like I don't want to waste time on all these things. I just want to move directly into business.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Like we have been we have been over all this thing over and over and over and over again. Like if you are first time tuning in, or I don't think any first time people is on the live stream. All those people, they are all old people. Like
Yeah,
they all have some level of experience.
yeah,
So like not to waste time on this, we're just going to go directly on the chat. Like we don't want to waste time on this.
yeah.
So like currently right now, that's what we are seeing on the chart right here. I know some of you guys wondering about our strategy, how we trade the market and whole lot of things. But before we go into that, I just want you to know that uh, strategy is not the only thing that is so much important in the forex trading. There are a whole lot of things that you guys need to learn first before we can go in this in the strategy. First, we want to talk about risk management. We want to teach you guys about risk management before we jump into our strategy. You understand? So, but before we do that, I think Nathan will be joining in right now. Maybe you have a few things I want to share with you guys. So, Nathan, are you ready?
Yeah, yeah.
So, okay.
You want to tell the reason we not take the trip. Tell them, right?
Yeah. So,
I'm ready.
okay, right now. Maybe you have a few things I want to share with you guys. So, Nathan, are you ready?
Yeah, yeah.
So, okay.
Yeah, yeah. You want to tell the reason we not take the trip. Tell them, right?
Yeah. So,
I'm ready. Can you hear me?
okay, right now. Maybe
Please.
you have a few things I want to share with you guys.
You can hear me.
So, Nathan, are you ready?
Yeah, yeah.
So, okay.
Yeah, yeah. You want to tell the reason we not take the trip. Tell them, right?
Yeah.
Amazing,
So,
amazing. I'm ready. Can you hear me?
okay, right now. Maybe
Please.
you have a few things I want to share with you guys.
You can hear me.
So, Nathan, are you ready?
Yeah, yeah.
So, okay.
Yeah, yeah. You want to tell the reason we not take the trip. Tell them, right?
Yeah.
Amazing, amazing.
So,
I'm ready. Can you hear me?
okay, right now. Maybe
Please.
you have a few things I want to share with you guys.
You can hear me.
So, Nathan, are you ready?
Yeah, yeah.
So, okay.
Yeah, yeah. You want to tell the reason we not take the trip. Tell them, right?
Yeah.
Amazing, amazing.
So,
I'm ready. Can you hear me?
okay, right now. Maybe
Please.
you have a few things I want to share with you guys.
You can hear me.
So, Nathan, are you ready?
Yeah, yeah.
So, okay.
Yeah, yeah. You want to tell the reason we not take the trip. Tell them, right?
Yeah.
Amazing, amazing.
So,
I'm ready. Can you hear me?
okay, right now. Maybe
Please.
you have a few things I want to share with you guys.
You can hear me.
So, Nathan, are you ready?
Yeah, yeah.
So, okay.
Yeah, yeah. You want to tell the reason we not take the trip. Tell them, right?
Yeah.
Amazing, amazing.
So,
I'm ready. Can you hear me?
okay, right now. Maybe
Please.
you have a few things I want to share with you guys.
You can hear me.
So, Nathan, are you ready?
Yeah, yeah.
So, okay.
Yeah, yeah. You want to tell the reason we not take the trip. Tell them, right?
Yeah.
Amazing, amazing.
So,
I'm ready. Can you hear me?
okay, right now. Maybe
Please.
you have a few things I want to share with you guys.
You can hear me.
So, Nathan, are you ready?
Yeah, yeah.
So, okay.
Yeah, yeah. You want to tell the reason we not take the trip. Tell them, right?
Yeah.
Amazing,
So,
amazing. I'm ready. Can you hear me?
okay, right now. Maybe
Yeah,
you have a few things I want to share with you guys.
you can hear me.
So, Nathan, are you ready?
Yeah, yeah.
So, okay.
Yeah, yeah. You want to tell the reason we not take the trip. Tell them, right?
Yeah.
Amazing, amazing.
So,
I'm ready. Can you hear me?
okay, right now.
Yeah,
Maybe
yeah.
you have a few things I want to share with you guys.
You can hear me.
So, Nathan, are you ready?
Yeah, yeah.
So, okay.
Yeah, yeah. You want to tell the reason we not take the trip. Tell them, right?
Yeah.
Amazing,
So,
amazing. I'm ready. Can you hear me?
okay, right now.
Yeah,
Maybe
yeah.
you have a few things I want to share with you guys.
You can hear me.
So, Nathan, are you ready?
Yeah, yeah.
So, okay.
Yeah, yeah. You want to tell the reason we not take the trip. Tell them, right?
Yeah.
Amazing,
So,
amazing. I'm ready. Can you hear me?
okay, right now.
Yeah,
Maybe
yeah.
you have a few things I want to share with you guys.
You can hear me.
So, Nathan, are you ready?
Yeah, yeah.
So, okay.
Yeah, yeah. You want to tell the reason we not take the trip. Tell them, right?
Yeah.
Amazing,
So,
amazing. I'm ready. Can you hear me?
okay, right now.
Yeah,
Maybe
yeah.
you have a few things I want to share with you guys.
You can hear me.
So, Nathan, are you ready?
Yeah, yeah.
So, okay.
Yeah, yeah. You want to tell the reason we not take the trip. Tell them, right?
Yeah.
Amazing,
So,
amazing. I'm ready. Can you hear me?
okay, right now.
Yeah,
Maybe
yeah.
you have a few things I want to share with you guys.
You can hear me.
So, Nathan, are you ready?
Yeah, yeah.
So, okay.
Yeah, yeah. You want to tell the reason we not take the trip. Tell them, right?
Yeah.
Amazing,
So,
amazing. I'm ready. Can you hear me?
okay, right now.
Yeah,
Maybe
yeah.
you have a few things I want to share with you guys.
You can hear me.
So, Nathan.
Okay, need not too much. I'm gonna do it. So yes, what's up, guys? Can you hear me? Yeah, yeah. If you can hear me, drop one in the comment section. Is still doing the same thing? My voice is still repeating. Repeating. Repeating? Yeah, I pause, I stop it. Thank you. Yeah. Stay repeating. I think I'm sharing, right? I'm live now. Yeah, right? Yeah, yeah, you hearing me? Martha, to make sure. Yeah. Can you guys hear me? You're connected here. Yeah. Yeah, can you guys hear me? Can you guys hear me? Well, I'm not going to check. Yeah. Are you hold on? Or we are letting this go? Can you guys hear me? Yeah, well, can you guys hear me? If you can hear me, drop one in the box. In the comment section, drop one, drop one, drop one. Yeah. Oh, okay, all right. Thank you, thank you. So like what I was saying is, actually you can look at only monthly time frame for the whole year. Yeah, but it's not really that important. But the reason is just to keep you on track. Just to keep you on track. Are you seeing? It just been thinking. You just been thinking. So like you buying, it's gonna be very, very risky. You're gonna be, are you seeing? Is we are not actually analyzing, just telling you what we expecting, the reason we've been selling. Are you seeing what we are seeing here? So it's a rigs and you see like this last month again, same thing. Let me see. Mm, this candlestick, this it was July. Yeah, the bullish candlestick formed in July. Since then, it will not reach the zone again. It's going to take a couple of time price at 1.3113. It's not going to reach the zone. So like that's what we've been selling. We've been selling. It's a big risk if you buy. You can buy maybe on scalp. Yeah, top down analysis is very important. But in the long run, we're going to like discuss more. Going to like tell you guys how we've been doing this thing, how we've been seeing the market. So like this is what we are expecting on GBP USD. The only way we're going to buy, we're going to go in aggressively until it give a breakout like this, either up or down. Let me just set up something like this. Maybe it happen like this. Come here and come. It will come aggressively like this. But if it didn't happen in this way, it come here. You take it from here, you bring it back, it will come by and retest, and it will push up. This just of once the buy is not going to be that good because like it's just going to be consolidating in this one here. So like yeah, yes, that's how our buyer will change. Otherwise, for now we are still ranging in this one here. Ranging in this one here. So I will turn over to my brother. Nothing much, and we are not trading GBP USD this evening. Get ready for gold. Yeah, yeah. Okay, guys.
Okay. All right, guys. Right now, like we are fully aware that most of you guys are in this mentorship. You guys already have knowledge of trading, so like there's no need of us going back over and like discussing beginner stuff. Like actually like we want for you guys to catch up with us. You understand? Like we want you guys to catch up with us, so like we can be discussing beginner stuff and a whole lot of things. Like I'm very sorry for those beginner. Like we didn't really like uh start this course with having you guys in mind. You understand? Like if you want to learn how to trade, if you are a beginner, I will recommend some content that you can follow and some website that you can learn from as a beginner. You understand? Because there are a whole lot of things that if we start to bring to you guys, you're actually going to cause a whole lot of delay. So like we're just going to go straight right into business, right into business. Like we are not going to waste much time on any of these things. So like if we are coming live, we are going to be discussing our analysis and like we are going to be giving our strategy and like we're going to be teaching about risk management intermediate stuff, you understand, like risk management price actions and a whole lot of stuff. But for beginner stuff like what is forex, all those introductory stuff, we will not be doing that, okay? So I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry. So now, let me come to gold. Let me do a little breakdown on gold. I don't know if you guys can see my screen right here. Oh yeah, this is my gold chart right here. Currently, like I said, we are anticipating a push up here, like up here to the level. We are waiting for the news to drop first, which will be soon. And this news will be coming, but will be done on Euro. Okay. So on Euro, any Euro pair, Euro USD, Euro CAD, this news is going to be affecting the Euro pair. But this news is going to be affecting USD pair. It's going to be crazy. I hope we're going to make crazy money all that. So like let's just keep the live stream. So let me just do a breakdown on gold so that you guys can see what I'm talking about, okay? Uh this is how simple we trade our gold pair. I'm just going to remove everything so that we start from the beginning. Okay? I don't know. We should talk about risk management. What do you think?
We can just brief that.
Okay. I'm just going to do a brief overview of my goal, like how we analyze goal and how we do the anticipation and all that. So we start by going on a weekly time frame. So there's the weekly time frame as you can see right up here. So gold respects the zone a whole lot, like support and resistance level is what gold respect a whole lot. So I'm just going to plot in my high and low on the weekly time frame. This right here is the high plotted on the body of a candle, not the wick, on the body of the candle, okay? So I'm going to plot in another one right here as my low. As you can see, I'm not putting this on the wick, I'm putting it on the body. So I'm going to adjust this to fit right on the body, okay? So another zone I'm going to be plotting out right here is this middle zone right here, like here. I'm pretty sure the market will come and retest this zone right here. I'm anticipating a push here. The market gonna retest before finally coming all the way down. As you guys can see, gold is in a downtrend on the weekly time frame. And remember, higher time frame give the overall direction of the market. As you can see right here, there is a complete downtrend. Gold has been trending down. So uh that's why you always see me. I'm looking for a sell. Always looking for sell. I also do buy, but like I don't like trading against the trend. I just love to follow the trend. But if you have a good or counter trend strategy that you are using that is working out for you, you can also use that as well. You understand? But for me, all I do is focus on the trend. Okay. So after here, I'm going to go down to the daily time frame, and then I'm seeing this guy saying that the voice is repeating. I don't know if you guys can hear me clearly now. If you can hear me, just type one. Okay, okay. So yeah, we so there's the daily time frame. As you can see, the zone will plot on the weekly time frame on this weekly time frame. This zone right here, it aligns perfectly with the daily time frame. As you can see right here, this zone aligns perfectly with the daily time frame. So for us to take a trade, what we want to do is we are anticipating a push back here. But remember, there's a daily time frame. There's a whole lot of pips from here to here. It's a whole lot of pips. Okay, the market will not just push up here. It's going to be going up and down, up and down. If we scale down to the lower time frame, you're going to see it clearly. Okay, so I'm going to go to the 4 hours now. So this is the 4 hour time frame, as you can see right here. This is the 4 hour time frame. So what I'm looking for, I'm still looking for more zones that the market going to respect. Support and resistance zone, okay? So another zone I'm seeing right here on the 4 hour time frame is this zone right up here. I'm seeing this zone right here. Let me just call it the red. So I'm going to edit this. I'll put what? 4 hours for each hour. So that I don't be confused on which zone I'm looking at, okay? So I'm just gonna put 4 hours right here. And then another zone again, I'm going to watch out for the low of this zone, which is gonna be right here. Here. There's another strong zone that I think the market going to respect if they reach here, like this zone. This zone looks valid. So I'm going to edit this zone. If you want to edit, you can just come to text right here, and then you choose, you click on text, you choose how you want to be and all that, and you just put it, okay? So I'm gonna put 4 hours for each hour, okay? So that I can be aware that this zone is on the 4 hours. And then I'll come down to my 1 hour. I'll come down to my 1 hour to look for most strong zones that the market is going to respect. You know, gold move from one zone to another. Gold respect zone a whole lot. Okay. So like so you guys might ask me what is my confluence on goals. This is what I'm doing right now. First, I plot support and resistance. From there, there are a whole lot of things like there are psychological level in between here also. But for most cases, I just look out for zones. Okay. So on my 1 hour and uh this zone right here look really valid to me. So I'm going to plot in this zone right here. Like it looks solid. This zone right here. I'm going to edit this so I don't be confused. I want to put 1 HR. Remember guys, we respect the zone that have the higher time frame. So I might respect the 4 hour zone compared to the 1 hour zone, okay? Because it's on bigger time frame and it will give me accurate actual results. Okay. So I'll watch out for this zone right here. And then another zone again I'm not gonna be watching out for is here, the high. There's the low and there's the high on the 1 hour. So I'm going to plot in a zone right here. 1 HR. Okay, so those are all the levels that we are watching out for currently. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to scale down to the 30 minutes time frame so that we can go for setup. Okay. So as you can see on the 30-minute chart, uh, like I was saying, all these zones are zones that might going to respect a whole lot. Like there's another zone on the 30 minutes chart again. I'm seeing right here. I need to put in this zone right here. Call this 30 minutes. Okay, so this is it. This currently I'm looking at right now, like right now on my chart. So as I was saying, I'm anticipating for price two. Let me go down to 15 minutes so that you guys can know what I'm talking about. So right now, these are all my zones right here. Like these are all my zones. But right now, I will not look out for this zone. I'm just gonna, or I'm not taking trade based off this zone. I'm not taking trade based off this zone. What I'm going to do is that I'm going to wait. Even this zone right here, it might not be a valid zone for me right now. So what I am anticipating is this that that news is going to flash either up or down. That news is going to flash either up or down. So since that news is gonna be somehow aggressive, so my entry point is gonna be somewhere around here, like around this point right here. That's what I'm going. We're gonna be looking for entry around here. So my entry point is going to be from here, and then we're gonna ride all the way here, around here. Okay. So if that news drop up, we're going to enter that trade from around here, and then we're going to take our profit right here. Okay. But if it doesn't happen that way, uh, I don't really trade news. So if the news flashes down, if the news flashes down, it will push down and then it will reject. I'm very sure of that. If it push down, it reject, it comes somewhere around here, then we're going to take that sell. But overall, I'm certain that this market is going to sell from the bigger time frame. It's telling me that we're currently in downtrend, and I'm not seeing any sign of trend reversal. So I'm anticipating a sell. So so this is my second entry. If the new flashes down and push back up, we're going to enter from here, and then we're going to hold it all the way here. But if it doesn't, it flashes up, we're going to enter here and then hold the sell down. So this is what I'm currently looking at for uh G for gold, not GU for gold. So let's just watch this pair because the news is going to be dropping very soon. This news right here that's going to be dropping 5:45. Uh, this news is going to be dropping in 5:45. We don't trade Euro pair, but we're just going to watch out so you guys can see what I'm talking about. So so in the next few more minutes, uh, that news going to be dropping. So let's just watch it. We're just going to watch it. We're not taking any trade. So I'm going to search for it right now. Euro, Euro USD. So let's just wait and see. Right now, I cannot make any prediction on this news right now. So we're just going to watch out and see how it's going to play out. But let's see. Maybe this you might affect GDP USD somehow because they are all European pairs, and so we are just going. So in just few more seconds, we are going to see a push. So let's just see. Uh, in the next 5 seconds, we are going to see a push. So let's go. Oh, damn, 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 damn. There's a push. As you guys see, the market is aggressive. I think it affect only the euro pair. So if you are trading euro against the dollar, this move was a good entry point right here for you. Like
Yes.
that was a very good entry point. As you guys can see, the news already dropped. It's pending. There's the results. It was positive, but overall the market was in a downtrend. That's why it will tank all the way down. It will tank all the way down. You guys see what I'm saying right here? So if you are here, you are caught this here right here, and then you kill the market all the way right here. So let's look at gold. Let's see what gold is doing. No, it didn't affect gold, but it affected GU. It affected GU a bit, but not that much. That's what I'm saying, guys. So you should always be on the lookout for news. You should always be on the lookout for news. You should always be on the lookout for news. Euro USD. You should always keep your eyes open on news. So like this flash is crazy. It's very crazy because like if you come to on a 4 hour time frame, you're gonna understand what I'm talking about. Like this market is in a crazy downtrend. Can you guys see? So this push right up here was a great entry point, but we don't trade or Euro USD. That's why we didn't take this trade. Okay, that's why we didn't take this trade because we don't trade Euro USD. But other than that, we're going to take this sell. But we are waiting. Within the next 15 minutes from now, like we're going to be receiving a crazy news and we're going to be taking that news on gold. So if you have any question, you can just drop it. You can just drop it in the comment section right now. Damn, this market is really tanking down. Like it's the fall is heavy. It's massive. It's crazy. The market is crazy. So if you have any question, just drop it in the chat box so that we can run right through them. If you have like, wow, guys, wow. Oh my God, look at this move, man. This damn, like damn, monetary. There was news. Main refinancing rate. So which means the rate was just changed for euro. Euro rate was changed. That's why this news crazy. You understand? The rate has changed. So like that news was crazy, bro. Look at this fall. Like it's so crazy, it's so deep. The fall is so deep. Wow. Damn. Imagine you caught this. Imagine you caught this move right here. That's so much of money. When the market get this push, like this push around here, like there was a very nice entry point around here. But other than that, trading used to is very risky because sometimes the market just go against you. But talk to them tomorrow. Yeah. I'm waiting for cheap code. Look at this move, guys. Like, damn, this move is deep. The market move about oh my god, that was like so much for the 8 pips. This is for the 8 pip move, guys. From here to here, this is for the 8 pips. So imagine you caught this news. You know how much you're gonna be making right now. It's gonna be so crazy. So 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 we're waiting for the news. I think you guys can be seeing our faces. If you guys are interested in seeing our faces. So guys, imagine like my brother was sharing his screen, like Alex, and yeah, guys, like you still sharing, right? Yeah. Yeah, like see guys. Let me share. No, anyway, news about the draft, so better if you be sharing. Yeah, imagine seeing such opportunity, like see the child is coming down. Like I mean, yeah, and just the people out there they don't want to believe it. This is the way to make money online. We know some of you people know like like some of our friends from Liberia, like Samuel Gabriel, and we have Emmanuel, we have Crazy. Yeah, you guys are doing well there. Yeah, like I don't know, like you guys should try to encourage some people. Like there's so many easy way to make money. Like you don't even have to go to like formal school. This is what other people doing. It's so exciting. This is the kind of generation we in. This is the kind of generation we in, and we need to make use out of this opportunity. And we agree the losses are there. You see, the reason so just little people are unsuccessful is because of fear of failure. And more than what we were taught in school. In school, they teach you to not fail. You fail, it means you are not successful person, it means you are not doing well. It means like your future gonna be wild, like your future is not gonna be bright. You know that. I think everyone you know that. This is why they always teach us in school. But if you really focus on making money, the first thing they will start teaching you about failure. The only thing you can program your mind right now is yes, it's working because you're seeing it's working. Even stop loss hit, yes, it's working. If you program such mindset, trust me, you are good to go. For sure. Within 1 year,
guarantee you will see you won't become millionaire overnight, but guarantee you will start to see changes, man.
A
Like
whole lot changes, a
yeah,
whole
so
lot,
like the
a
money,
whole lot.
yeah, a whole lot.
You can tell
Wow,
trade.
wow, 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 wow.
So,
I
so
can't drive.
guys,
I
guys,
can't drive. I can't drive.
uh,
Shoot on the certificate. On the
let's,
certificate.
no, let's set up
Yeah.
for
Okay.
the news.
Yeah. Hey, share the screen. Let me see the certificate. I 25K. I can do. Don't show you login. Don't forget.
Yeah.
Just go up. Go up. Let's see. What's the certificate?
No, like we can't share the screen right now. So like what
Yeah.
we can do,
Yeah.
let's do the login. We can catch
Money
this
everywhere.
market.
Money everywhere.
We're about to make money, guys. We're about to make money. We're about to make money on this account. We're about to make money. We're not trying to sleep. This market is going, this chart is going to be crazy today.
Yes, what you are saying, sir, Samuel Gabriel, what you are saying is true. It's true. I know because in forest, like even you go out there, you encourage someone, you are still sharing.
No, no.
Why?
Yeah, I'm sharing.
Yeah,
I'm sharing. I'm sharing.
even you go out there, you encourage someone. I know the result is not there. Once the result is not there, they won't believe it. But keep doing it. You don't have to beg anyone. The thing is just to make some people deny it because like the society has programmed the system that there are certain people, more especially from some poor background, like people like us too, we've been there that you will get they will program your mind to the extent that like you don't have to what like not everyone can get rich and it's not true. It's a big lie. It's a scam. Everyone can get rich. Tell you what will not for. So I believe what you're saying because no result. If the result is not there, like people won't believe. People believe in result too much. People believe in result too much. Even we that hear the reason, yeah, like we are doing this like because we know we have some proof, we have result, and we get the knowledge. We don't even have fear. But yeah, I understand what you're talking about. It makes big sense. Yeah. Once the profit is not there, the bank account is not loading, the lifestyle is not changing. Even you talk, more especially like if you from that kind of tiny society where like people like you even want to like help them, they will misunderstand you. It's gonna be difficult. So like that's true. That's true. Just keep on. Yeah, that's true. Once the result is not there, you're right. So like definitely it's okay. That's why we're not in the hurry. Even 24, 5, even 2% available. The goal is this batch at least out of 50 out of 100%
So
at least
guys,
80% can become profitable
so
trader.
there's a certificate I we just received. They just send
Share
this
the
in
screen.
our email. I think you guys are seeing this right now. So, and we're about to trade this account. It's a 25K live account. I just log in right here. As you can see, this account 25K live account. We're gonna be trading this account today. We're gonna be trading this account today. So this is what it is, guys. So like, some of you guys don't know what is certificate is from, or this is from a pro firm, a pro firm. They are based currently in Nigeria, or they are called Consummate Pro Firm. So like, what happens is that, if you are a trader already, like, you are already a trader, but then you don't have enough funds, you don't have enough capital. What they are going to do, they are going to give you funds so that you can start to trade. You understand? Like you just register with them, and then there will be some challenge that you have to pass. Once you pass the challenges, uh they are going to phone you. They are going to give you a phone account. On that account, you guys going to take profit. You guys going to share the profit. Whatever profit you made going to be split between you and the prop firm. Okay. So we are just anticipating this news. Let me come back on my gold chart. Uh, wow. You see while I was talking, actually I was anticipating here for that drop, but then go play, do your own thing. For there was that signal I sent. If somebody guys on that signal, that was the move. But then the reason I couldn't advise you guys to take this trade is because another news is coming in the next 4 minutes, and it's going to be crazy as well. So that's why I'm saying. there's going to be a flash. But if there's a strong flash around here, we might take this trade. If there's a strong push here, we are going to take this trade. Okay. But for now, this is what it is. If we lose this account, it's okay. It's nothing. But we are going to trade. But if we lose it, it's okay. No hard feelings. We have been trading and passing this account like a whole lot of time. Like it don't really affect us anymore. If we lose that, we pass it. Like it doesn't affect us anymore. Right now we're just trading to make money. Yeah. Like no hard feelings. Trading there's no losses but only lessons.
Okay, show them how much we're racing, like how many days like
So like on this account we'll be risking like 25 pips. If this market flashes up here,
yeah.
we're going to be risking 25 pips.
That's like show them how much we'll be losing. Demonstrate to them that one go.
And
That's something like that.
yeah, yeah. So one more thing. Okay. Sure. So okay, guys. So it is what it is. So I don't know which loss I should be going with right now.
Just do your risk with what.
So this how to do risk management for gold. If I want to calculate my risk management on gold, I'll go to my FX book. This is it right here, my FX book or position size calculator. So I'm just going to click on that for gold, and I'm going to check how much I'm going to be risking on this trade. So the account is 25,000 or $25,000 account and
500.
500.
Yeah, we are raising 500.
Yeah, we are going to risk 500. So I'm just going to press swap with money right here. 500. We are risking 500 on this trade, and then our stop loss is how many pips? Our stop loss is 25 pips. So I just say 26. 2.5 is 25. Okay. Don't look at this point. Once you see 2.5, you should know it's 25. So we are going to be risking 25 pips. That so I'll say 26. So so if I calculate, so this is so this lot I should be using 1.9. So I'll just make it two lot. So I'll come right here on my chart and then I will adjust this to two lot and watch out and see what the market is going to do. So for the chart, let's see. Here we see a flash up, an aggressive push here.
What should I do? Chat?
No, it's okay, it's okay.
Oh, well, I emailed me. Let me look in.
Yeah,
Stop sharing. Share this.
for a few more minutes. News.
Yeah, doesn't matter. You got to drop first.
Yeah.
Let it drop.
So we are just waiting for the news to drop.
So you can forward out something to
Oh
me.
my God.
No problem. I will say come back right now. You can stay end up.
Yeah. So this is what I'm telling you guys about. So if uh this market is going to reject massively, like there's going to be a huge rejection. It's going to pull back up. But first, we are still waiting. We are not going to enter. Do not enter yet. I repeat, do not enter. Do not enter on the street. The market is very aggressive right now. Do not enter. We'll wait for pushback around here before we can take this trade. So right now we are just waiting. As you can see, I haven't entered on this trade right now. Uh, it is gold. I'm still waiting. I'm still waiting. I'm still waiting. No, it is cool. Yeah, I'm still waiting for myself to play out. I haven't entered. I haven't do anything yet. So let's just watch this chart. Let's see. Let's see what the market is doing. Like So there's where sentimental analysis come in. Okay. If I start to see some kind of rejection on this GU chart and then gold is still acting bullish, I will enter with a buy. You understand? If if I'm seeing rejection on GU on GDP USD and then gold is still bullish, gold is still bearish, I will enter. But for now, let's just wait. Let's just be patient. Let's just be patient. Uh, let's just be patient, guys. Like if we didn't take this out, it's okay. It's good. There's still more time. As you can see, G is still bearish, so like, it's not a green light yet for gold. So like we just still have to wait. We still have to wait. We still have to wait. Still have to wait. Still have to wait.
Forward, stop sharing forward email again, login. You're doing well.
So I'm just going to still go to the camera right here so you guys can yeah. So that is it, guys. We are still anticipating that trade. We are still in it. We are still waiting to see some pullback so that we can enter. But other than that, we are still chilling. Nothing much, nothing special, nothing extra. We are just watching the chart right now. We're just watching this chart. I'm waiting for a pullback on GDP USD. That is what I'm currently doing. Waiting for a pullback. We are waiting for a pullback. I think it's good like trading with you guys like this. I think it will be better. I don't know how you guys see it.
Okay.
Or should we be trading like this? If you guys wants to be taking trade, we'll come live and then we trade like this. Just type yes. Or if you want us to if you don't like this style of trading with us, you can type no. If you want us to be live or trading like this, you can just type yes. Done. Done. Login. Or so yeah, like gold is still being bearish. We are still waiting for confirmation from GU. If we start to see a healthy rejection on GU, we're going to take that buy on gold. Other than that, we are still waiting. We are not entering yet. We are still waiting, observing this chart. This is what we do all day and every day. Don't rush to enter yet, guys. Don't rush to enter this trade. So right now, this seller is no longer valid, so I'm just going to get it out of the string. So the next seller we're going to waiting for is this one. This will be the next setup. But I'm planning on taking a buy, and at the same time, I'm planning on taking the sell. So we're going to chop it both ways. But at the same time, I'm still waiting for confirmation from GDP USD. I want to see a very good rejection first before going on this chart. Like, I want to see a rejection. So now we are still anticipating. We are still anticipating. We are still anticipating. We haven't entered yet. We are still anticipating on this chart right here. I don't know if I can even play music for you guys.
Mhm. Yeah, you can play music. But yeah.
But we have to connect to the
Huh?
no, it's okay, it's good, it's good.
Yeah, we can play music, bro. But when I be talking, you just and now.
So you guys just watch the chat. We are currently watching the chat. If you don't hear us talking, we are live, but we are on the chat.
We are watching together, guys. We are watching together, guys. Yeah, yeah. We share screen together, yeah.
We are still waiting for a rejection on GU before We can take this trade. Other than that, it's not valid yet. Don't enter this market and blow your account. We are still waiting. We are still waiting.
While we are seeing Alex,
What?
oh,
What you want to do?
play music.
Uh, it'll play here unless I
Can you
disconnect.
remove it?
Yeah, yeah.
Uh,
So yeah. So let's just be playing music just for entertainment and just for entertainment. No, YouTube will ban us. Are you mad?
oh,
Yeah,
use the speaker.
yeah, yeah. So we are still waiting, guys. We are still
You go and
waiting.
put the speaker.
Yeah. Do not enter yet. Do not enter this chat yet. We are still waiting. Gold is still being very bearish right now. GU2 is showing some little sign of rejection, but it's not good enough. We want to see a high rejection above around here. Then we'll consider taking the straight rejection all the way up here around here. Then that will be a very good setup. But other than that, we are still waiting. Do not enter yet.
I want to say something.
Yeah, you can go ahead.
Yeah. No, you can mute it. I want to talk to you first before I talk to them.
Okay. Yes, still anticipating. We want to see closure of the 15-minute candlestick.
Got it on mute now.
No, it's on mute already.
Yeah, you hear us?
Yeah. We want to see closure of this 15-minute candlestick first before you can decide. If we see a closure and then a strong push, green can start to go up, then we'll take this buy up to here, and then you get out and wait for the sell. Okay. If you want to play safe, there are two options. You either wait for the market to come here, and then we can take the sell. Other than that, we are not doing anything. We're just waiting and chilling. That's all. My God, it's crazy, bro. Like, I'm moved up. It's like, anticipated today.
And one thing, the reason we choose to come on YouTube right now is so at least the recording can be saved there. Are you hearing me?
Yeah,
Yeah, so at least once the recording is saved, that for sure you will be able to, let me see, you hear me?
yeah, I'm hearing
Yeah,
you.
so you
Yeah.
anytime you like anything that for beginner, you can come back and watch again. It's very helpful. Yeah, that's the reason YouTube will also be beneficial because it will
Like,
save that.
yeah, there was a rejection I was talking about. So if they can, if gold can close with similar rejection and then they pull back here around here, we'll take the buy. But it's risky, but we're gonna take it anyway because I'm certain that this market is going to flash all the way back here before it start to come back down. So that's why I'm saying we'll take that trade. As you can see, G is giving the rejection that I was anticipating, and here's what happening right now on the chart. As you guys can see, this rejection right here. But other than that, let's just be chilling. Let's just be chilling. Trading is kind of boring, guys, but it's good. Boring, but good.
Thanks so much. Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
like this,
You
that's
know,
what we do all day. Just sit and just be monitoring this chat.
money don't love noise. In a bank, you can cause noise in a bank.
Of course.
Money is always quiet. So like for trading now, since you are trading, sometimes that you look for your trading partner. Sometimes you might be that is like into acting because of boring life. You play music. I mean, you know, sometimes you get your wine. Yeah, you get your bottle of wine, so you will see the chart properly.
Thank God for
You don't
hours
have to
to
chase
see
the market. You
myself.
just have to relax and chill and be kind.
Like
Because like,
this and that's when we anticipating that goal might reach to.
yeah,
But it's not gonna happen anytime soon, but definitely it will. Like this move that you're seeing is going to end somewhere around here.
that's
So let's go back.
guaranteed.
We are still waiting for closure. If they can stay close in a very with a good rejection, then we might take this trade. Yeah, we will take this trade. But wait, we are waiting for closure and pullback. We are waiting for closure and a pullback. So this is how this bar going to be. We are not going to risk so much of our account on this bar. Our stop loss will be right here, and then for now. So let me just push this aside. Okay, this is what I'm looking at. So I'm expecting a pushback into our zone. This market can push all the way down. We'll take that trade. Enter the chart.
Mm. How you drunk? You drinking what? Your wife it is? Yeah, you can take it. At two standard level,
Yeah, I know, I know. Alright, just do this.
you did the
So we're doing dollar cost averaging or 0.50. That's what we're going to be entering with for now. That is just what we're going to be entering with for now. Because it's a risky move though, but we are just taking a risk. It's a risky one. So I'm going to enter the first bar or bar.
range of one standard level is there.
Let us see. As you can see, our stop loss we are putting it below this zone right here. Below this zone right here. Below it. If it hit us out, it's okay. If it hit us out, it's okay. We'll reposition for the sell. We are just taking a risk on this trade. But if it hit us out, if it hit us out, it's good. It's okay. There's no hard feelings. That's how the market operates. Enter another one more right here. Okay, we're enter up two position. So what I'm just going to copy the stop loss from here, copy, and then so yeah, our stop loss is in place. So we are still monitoring the market. Remember, we are taking a scalp. There's a scalp. Okay, we are taking a scalp. We are scalping on this trade. We are going to hold it from here to here. Like, so there's a scalp. If it hit us out, it's okay. We're good. If it hit us out, it's okay. We'll reposition for another entry. So there's a scalp. We are just scalping on this trade. We are scalping. Oh, back hurts.
Are you guys in? Are you guys in? Tell us, are you guys in?
Like if you don't if you're not in this trade, don't worry. We are anticipating a sell from here. So like just stay tuned. We just want to catch this cap. It's nothing extra. We just want to get a little bit pips to rigs. Okay. But overall, I'm anticipating a move all the way here, like here. That's why I'm thinking this market is going to push. But other than that, it's okay. Like we are staying in this market together. If you miss out, don't worry. I'm expecting a push all the way up here. So we are staying in the straight, okay? So just stay tuned. Stay tuned. This account just open today. The pro from past days that we are trading right now. Like right now.
We should have second signal in the group.
No, but I told him to join. If he didn't join, he can't hold responsible.
Yeah, yeah, that's true, that's true.
So there's a setup, guys. We only enter one standard lot, 0.5, 0.5. Like we are holding this position. As you guys can see, it hit out, take profit already. Take profit is smashed, but we are still holding this trade. We are still holding. TP is already smashed, but we are still
Are
holding.
you making money or
Are you
it's a
making
long
money? Oh,
story?
it's a long story.
Live, 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 guys. We are
So,
making
so
money
we don't
live.
want to be greedy. So, like, I think,
Oh, yeah, yes, good, good, Samuel, good, Samuel, Samuel Plan. Man, I'm scouting my thing today.
yeah.
Yeah,
So, we are just going to take our profit right
yeah,
here.
because it will reach us.
We are anticipating the
Samuel says it's okay. Yeah, man.
uh
Okay.
okay. So we are out, guys. We are out. As you guys can see, we didn't make that much because we are still anticipating a push from here, like this
So,
this
no,
zone right here. This zone right here is very solid. So we want like we still want to see some kind of rejection before we can enter for the sale. Okay. So just be patient. Just be patient. We are waiting for the sale around here for us to take this trade. Okay. So let us watch out. Don't enter yet. Don't enter yet. We are still on this chart. We are still ready. So don't enter yet. Don't enter yet. We are waiting for the sale, but don't enter yet. We are waiting for the sale. You see this zone? Like I told you, this zone it was a very strong zone. So the market will want to respect this one a little bit. On the 1 hour time frame, we count to 1 hour. You can see that this zone right here, there's the zone. Um, this one is kind of strong a bit, so that is what I was saying. So let's just wait. We want to see some kind of rejection, then we'll enter, okay? But for now, we are still good. We are still chilling. We are chilling. So everything out. uh, so that's the guy. Where if they cannot stay close like this, like if it close over a rejection and another one push up, we are going to enter for the sale. But overall, we are just waiting. We are still chilling. Don't enter yet. It's not valid yet. Don't enter yet. Don't enter yet. We are still waiting. We are still waiting. We are still waiting. Don't enter yet. But if this market push here, like here,
Mhm.
if this market might come here, so I'm readjusting my entry. If the candle close like this, don't enter. We'll enter here. But other than that, we are still waiting. Okay. So you guys still be on the lookout. We are still waiting. We are still waiting. Money must be made today. Like we need to make money. Let me see what our GPUs is doing. As you guys can see, there's a great rejection. So which means we are still anticipating a push. So Go might still push. Go is going to push. So just wait. Go is going to push around here. So we are still on this chart. We are still waiting. We are still waiting for that push. So just keep your ground. Just keep your ground. We are still waiting. We are readjusting. But we're going to catch that sale, guys. We are going to. Money must be made today. Money must be made. Money everywhere. Money everywhere. Money everywhere. Money is everywhere, guys.
Money everywhere. Money everywhere.
Uh,
drop one, guys. If you are still with us, drop one, drop one, drop one.
If you are still in the live stream, just drop one.
Drop one, drop one, drop one, drop
Oh,
one.
that's great, bro. That's great. That's great. Samia, that's great. That is what we do here, bro.
Yeah,
Man,
guys.
shove a
Yeah,
quick 300. That's great, bro.
that's great. That's great. If even you don't want to take trade, it's fine.
It's
But
fine.
yeah, for us, yeah, yeah.
That is amazing. But guys, we are still waiting. Don't enter yet. We might enter around here. We'll enter. We'll take the share around here. So let's just chill. This candlestick will be closing in the next 3 minutes from now, as you guys can see. So we'll enter for the share around this point right here. So let's just wait. Just keep chill. Keep waiting. Keep waiting. Keep waiting. Keep waiting.
Wow, wow, Emmanuel good 400.
Oh, that's
Emmanuel
nice, bro.
Tika. King Emmanuel.
That's nice,
Emmanuel Tika.
bro.
Yeah, no problem,
No,
no
it's
problem.
okay, bro. Even if Demo is rare account,
It's
it's cool.
okay.
Like that's
Just
it, bro.
just put it
Like,
in real
like
money.
for us, we were
Yeah.
trading Demo account for like 6 months, bro. If we
Uh,
tell you guys will not believe it. We blow our funds. We were trading for like 6 months only on Demo account, bro. But like it didn't stop us. Like we were keep being motivated, even though it was a Demo account, but still we were still on the chat day in, day out. You understand? Because like we were out of money completely. We were broke. We didn't have anything. So like we're just trading demo every day, all day and every day. As you can see, this zone, guys, like this zone is a very strong zone right here. So if this market close with this rejection, another push that will come around here will take the sell. But anyways, let's just keep waiting. Let's just keep waiting. Let's just keep waiting. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah. Not now. Like no, it's not now. So guys, this is it, guys. Like we are still on the chat. We are still waiting. We are still waiting. But if a strong push, uh, if the market close like this, let me see what GDP USD is doing. Yeah, that rejection was solid. So guys, don't enter yet. Don't enter yet. I'm still anticipating a further push. I'm still anticipating further push, but let's just wait. This one is it's a very strong zone, guys. But if we don't catch it, it's okay. It's okay. We'll still enter another time. But let's just keep waiting. Let's just keep waiting. Right now it's still early. I'm sure, I'm certain if this market is coming here, guys, don't rush. While I'm telling you, just listen to what I'm saying. This market is going to come here. Don't rush to enter again. This market will come here. It's still early. Look at the time. It's just 6:30 over here. It might see like it's coming down. It will come down and then push back up. So just be on your watch. Just be on your watch. Don't rush, guys. Like it's okay. This market will still give another push for another entry. So don't worry. It might see like it might seem like it's coming down now, but like there's going to be another entry. So let's just be cool. Let us be chill. Like don't chase the market. Let the market meet your confluence. If it don't meet it, you just relax. If we don't make money again, it's okay. It's good. We are fine. We are fine. But I'm still anticipating a push around this zone. I'm anticipating a push around here. So we are still waiting. We are still chilling. Don't worry. We are here with you guys. We will make money today. Money must be made, so we are going to make it today. Just chill. It might seem like I want to give you another entry, but I will not take this entry. I will not take this entry.
In trading, it's all about discipline. You have to be
Yeah,
disciplined.
like
Discipline pays so much. If you didn't meet your
you
confluence,
have,
enter.
of course, you
I
have to
told
be
you guys, we
disciplined.
told you guys in the comment section, in the WhatsApp. Like one thing about trading is waiting. If you master waiting, it's very hard for you to blow your account
You
overnight.
gotta be patient. You have to be patient.
Patient.
Most especially like with gold. Gold, like you have to practice patience. Like don't rush your setup on gold. Just be patient. If the market doesn't reach to you, it's okay. That's another day. Like you just have to discipline yourself. If the market doesn't reach in your zone, it's cool. It's okay. We come back another day. So like don't enter yet, guys. Don't enter yet. I'm still anticipating a push. But if you want to enter, that's fine. You can enter at your own risks. If you meet your confluence, you can enter right here at your own risks. But I'm still anticipating a further push up here. Or this push might even be aggressive all the way up here. But we are still waiting. We are still waiting. We are not rushing anything. We are still in the street. We are still waiting. So let's just wait.
Yes.
You want to
While
say?
waiting for them, while waiting for it to reach up there because of time. So like let's start explaining like let's break them down because like Chris been talking about the consumer the drawdown like
Okay, guys.
so like I don't
What?
know that you can share your screen or I share my screen like we go there we tell them how to break down the maximum
You
daily
can you
loss
can you can share a screen. You can share a
then
screen.
time to take the setup again. Yeah.
Yeah, but the
So
problem
when
is
the
if you
time
share
reach
a screen, your phone guys can be seeing your voice can be repeating. So
yeah
we'll just do it. Do it on my screen.
on
You
your
can do
screen
it.
right.
Yeah, you can do
Alright.
it. Very
Yeah, you can
interesting.
do it. Send it there. Yeah. You don't
So
need like
so some of you guys have been asking about consumer preference. You have been asking about consumer. So what we're gonna do is this. We just want to do a breakdown on consumer. Guys, don't rush to enter yet. But if you think you want to enter, you can enter. But for me, I'm waiting. I'm still waiting for a price to push all the way up here before we can take that sale. I'm still waiting. So let's just go to consume it. But if I log in, I'll go directly in my portal.
yeah. No,
So
you don't
it's
have to log in your
Forex.
product.
No, once I click this link,
Yeah.
it will take me in my portal directly.
Yeah.
So I don't really know.
No, just have your consumer trader on your website, your own
Yeah,
website.
yeah, yeah. Consumer trader.
Yeah.
Okay, guys. Some of you might not know about a prop firm, so we're just gonna take our time and explain it.
Yeah.
Uh, but at the same time, we'll be watching out for the chat as well. We'll be watching out for the chat. We'll be watching out for the chat. If this cannot stay close with this rejection, another push up will enter, but otherwise, let's just chill and wait. So, okay. A prop firm is nothing but a company that will fund you. They will give you funds so that you can be able to trade. You understand? So another program that we have that we want to be introducing you guys to is Consume It. They are based in Nigeria. They are good. Like as you can read right here, we fund, we trade, we pay you. So like they will help you to fund your account, and then you guys will have a 90% profit split. You understand? So once you pass that evaluation, uh, we'll come to the trading modules. As you guys can see, we have the evaluation mode, we have the Express Late, we have the Express Pro, we have synthetic, we have biweekly evaluation. So like if you guys want to take your profit split every after 2 weeks, you can go for this. It's good for you, it's reasonable, it's great. And in this module we have these are the accounts. So how does it work? If you pay for this account for the price of $57, this is the lowest account. with $57, they will be giving you a $5,000 live account. But in order for you, let's look at this chart. Okay, amazing, amazing. Goal is reaching to our entry. So we are getting position for a entry. We are getting ready for an entry. So like guys, just keep on the chat. Huh? Yeah, you can enter one there. Yeah, it is, yeah. Oh shit, don't take it. Just wait. Yeah, like we are starting to enter now. But if the market push back up here, you can enter. But otherwise, we are still waiting. We are still chilling. So yeah, so let me just continue what I was saying. A prop firm is a company that will give you account for you to trade. So like for this company right here, they are going to give you $5,000 account, live account, and once you pass their challenges, they are going to evaluate you to see if you are a good trader. Once you are able to prove to them that you are an exceptional trader. Okay, I don't know. My eye is still on this chat. I don't want to mess up for this opportunity. I think we can enter the first one entry there as one. Yeah. We're just enter our first entry here, but we are risking, as you guys can see, is a sell. We have entered, but I'm still like thinking that this market still have room to go a bit. So it's just our first entry. It's nothing. It's but if you don't want to enter, you can still wait. I'm still anticipating a further push around here. But sometimes the market doesn't reach to an entry and you miss out. So that's why we do dollar cost averaging. So what is dollar cost averaging? It's like dividing your entry into smaller sizes so that you can be able to enter. You understand? So that instead of you entering one standard lot, like this trade right here, as when we did it setup, the loss I was supposed to be using on the trade was two loss size, like 1.9, which is two, but like we are dividing it into smaller loss sizes. So like as the market is moving around entry point, we'll continue to be entering. So if the market close right here, another push come here, we'll enter another one like that. That's how to dollar cost averaging. This will help you so that you don't lose a whole lot of money. Even if we're expecting to lose on this trade, the overall loss, if we're expecting to lose because we're risking 500. So with dollar cost averaging, we'll not lose this 500. Maybe we might lose like 450. Maybe we might lose 450 on this trade if we break out interest into smaller parts. Okay. So, but if they cannot stay close, that there another push that open right here, you should enter on this. So let's just be chilling right now. We are only into one entry, but if this cannot stay closes, another push that goes up here, we're gonna be entering. So like that's what we do, guys. Money everywhere. We gotta make this money. We gotta make this money. But don't worry, guys. Don't rush to enter. Don't rush to enter. Gold is still going to give us another interest, but just be patient. Just be patient, okay? Don't rush. Be patient. We're going to get another entry. So we are just take it cool, okay? Gold doesn't just spike down. It's going to get another spike up, but another entry. Then you can enter. But otherwise, don't chase the market. Be wait for your confluence, okay? So like as I was saying, like yeah, like if the market push up here, now we are going to enter like we are going to enter about full lot size. But other than that, we are still waiting, we are still chilling, okay? But remember, we plan to rake SWAT or two standard lot size. So that is what we are going to follow. We are only raising two standard lot, not more than that.
How many of
Okay?
you are in right now? How many of you are in one position? Drop one, drop one,
If
drop
you
one.
are enter at one position, you can drop one.
Drop one, drop one. If you enter one position, drop one, drop one, drop one in the box. If you're not in, it's okay. If you're not in, it's okay. You can chill.
Just chill. The market will give another entry and then we're going to enter. Yeah, we can enter. We're taking another sale again.
Mhm.
Okay. So now we have two entry. Like I told you, it's that it'll still flash up. I'm still anticipating a push around here. So like let's just keep on our ground. Like if you can enter with your one position, if you haven't entered yet, that place will be a good place to enter. Like you can enter from there if you haven't entered yet. But other than that, this is what we are doing currently. Okay. So let's just go back to what I was saying. Uh, it's just hard trading and then talking and then focus managing your trade.
So at least it's good to be interactive. At least we're doing this live with you guys, so you feel free. Even if you
Of
are
course,
losing, it's
even if we
okay.
are losing, we all lose together. If we are winning, we all win together.
Just to take away the
Like
fear,
this is what we come here to do, guys. We come here to eat together. Like if
Yeah,
we lose together. We win together.
yeah,
That is just it, guys. Like
yeah,
that's that's nothing more than that. We
yeah.
trade together all day and every day. So like if you're not in the mentorship, you are really missing out. Like I want you to join this mentorship so that you can start to make some great amount
Yeah.
so that I can start to see your changes. Like right now, sorry for all the beginners trader. We are not really focusing on beginners right now at this moment.
Sabe, sabe que me fast to get out. You just come on and go ahead. Fast. No, but the place what go ahead, like Eddie was telling you guys that
Like
don't be afraid. It will come
don't be
down.
afraid.
Yeah.
This market, but even if it doesn't come down, it's okay.
Yeah.
Like it's okay because sometimes like the market will not go 100% according to the analysis. That's why
For
like you
sure.
should have your risk management tight. So that if it doesn't go, if it go against you, at least you are not blowing your entire account. Like on this account, we are only risking 500. How much is 500? We are only risking 500 on this $25,000 account. It's okay for us. So okay. So as you can see, this market is in a downtrend. That's why like I'm positive like this chart is coming down. But other than that, if it goes up, it hits us out. It's okay. We'll come back tomorrow. That's how trading should be. Like, don't feel bad. It's okay. If it takes us out, it's okay. But I'm still anticipating a push around here for us to start entering again. So a push around here, like around this zone. Let me map this zone out so that you guys can see what I'm talking about. I'm anticipating a push.
Anyway, I understand. I understand.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
I'm anticipating a push here.
Mhm.
Like here, let me mark it as green.
Hold on, position. I'm gonna wait.
Yeah, you can enter with 0.05, no, 0.25, or you can then enter.
Yeah.
No issue. Take it. So we are enter one more. We enter one more. Like I said, I'm still anticipating a push around this region for us to actually start to catch out on the stream. But other than that, if it hit us out, it take out our stop loss. Put your stop loss above this zone right here so that sometimes you adjust your stop loss. But this zone might be a strong zone. But if it hit us out, it's okay. We'll reposition ourselves. So this is just what we do, guys. Yeah, as I was talking about about this program, some of you don't know about it. Let me just talk about it once and for all. So this company will give you account for you to trade for them. But first, you have to prove to them that you are a good trader. You understand? So what you're gonna do? You are going to pay $57 for a $5,000 account. Remember, this money is refundable. So once you pass their evaluation, they are going to refund your money back to you. So, so what you're going to do in order for you to get the $5,000 live trading account, you first have for the phase one, you have to reach 8%. So 8% is going to be, let's do the calculation so that you guys can see what some of you guys don't know how to do this calculation. So let's say you have $5,000. So the phase one, in order for you to pass the account, you have to reach a profit target of 8%. So 8% on for you to reach is going to be, so you're just going to go 500 plus 8%, which is just 400. So in order for you to pass the first one, you have to make 5,400 on this account. Yeah, on this account, you have to make 5,400 on this account in order for you to pass the first one. You get my point? But then, once you pass the first one, you'll be taking the first two, which is just 5%. So 5% of phase two, I think it's gonna be 2.5, something like that. So you're just going to say 5,000 plus 5%. So it's just 2.5. So what you're gonna do? What's gonna happen is this. First, your first target will be to reach 8%. Once you reach 8%, they'll give you another account that you're going to trade. Once you reach 5%, then they'll give you a phony account. You understand? So there's no minimum trading days. If you pass the account the same day, you're going to get your account the same day.
And I'll advise them something like this.
So so but bear in mind there are some rules. Like there are some rules on that account. In order for you to not break the rules, your maximum daily loss should not exceed 6% of that account. So like if you are trading, like if you are taking trade every day, you shouldn't exceed 6% on that account. So let's do the calculation again. How it's going to be like. So let's say within a day of only $5,000 that they are giving you, you should not lose minus 6% within a single day, which so this is it, which is going to be let me redo it so that you can see it properly. Let me put it right here. So 5,000 minus 6% a day. So within a day, you shouldn't lose $300. Within a single day, you shouldn't lose 300. Let's see how our trade is playing out. Okay, now it's playing out like it's starting to give us that push that I'm anticipating. But if you miss out, it's okay. Don't stress yourself. The market is still gonna give another entry again. Gold doesn't just come down; it will give a whole lot of entry. So just chill, just wait. Don't rush the market. The market will reach the entry point. It's gonna enter again. But we are making money, guys. This is just what we do, guys, every day. No stressing, bro. So let's go back to the chat. So as what I was saying was this. So as you guys can see, with under $5,000 account a day, you should not lose $300. If you lose $300, your account is gone. Your money will not be refunded to you, so which means you lose your money. This $57 that you pay, you are going to lose it. Okay? So that's what it is. And then another thing, there's another losses again, the overall loss. So if you lose $500 within it, let's say you traded that day and then you lose like 250, $250, you did not break the risk, okay. But if you are trading the next day, you should remember the overall loss is just 10%. You get me? You're off? Your phone is off? Oh my god. Yeah, you can put your phone on charge. So the overall loss is 10%. So let's say if you lose, or let's say this account, so 10% of $5,000, 5,000 minus 10%, that will be equivalent to $500. So let's say if the first day you trade, you took a loss and then you lose minus 250, or you are left with still more balance to go. So let's say overall, you shouldn't lose $500 on a straight. So like the remaining loss for you will be $4,750 minus 5,000. So like you'll only be left with 250 more losses. So if the following day you lose $250 from that 5,000, your account is gone, guys. I'm sorry. Your money will not be refunded. Your account is gone. So that is just how the program works. But if you don't really understand it, or we will rather discuss it later. Like if you don't understand, you rather want, like if you have interest in program and like you want us to trade, like we'll do some breakdown.
Let me see something what I'm presenting.
Yeah, Nathan want to say something about program.
Yeah, guys. Yeah. I will just talk. Um, this proven thing here, like, please note that the money is not for you. Even you lose, you are not going to pay a dime for that money. And if you really hustling, if money is giving difficulties, if you really hustling, don't burn now. I know the two phases is 90%, but like the chances of him was you don't know how when to take the risks, so you always keep losing. If you can pass one phase, to pass phase two is giving you difficulties for you to start up your psychology, guys. Like you can go in for the one phase. Once you pass, they give you the last account. You maybe take 2, 3 trade and you pass, you keep it until you take pay. At least if you can even take that 80% profit, at least on 1,000, 80% is how much? It should be 800.
Yeah,
800. At least, like you start making some money. The goal is not, it's not like, the goal is to make money, is to get rich.
that's it.
That's the goals. Like, if even you do this thing here, like you can analyze well, but you're not making a profit, you're gonna feel like weak about it.
Of
And
course.
you see your friends cashing. So sometimes if the two faces they step in you,
Go for one
go
first.
for one face.
That's it.
Once you
Like
pass it, you know.
like
It just as like,
let me let,
yeah,
let me
explain it
come back
again.
to the
Yeah,
chat.
yeah.
Like if you don't want to go through these two firsts, like you don't want to pass first one and then you come to first two, you can just come to express within express, like it's just one first. All you need to do is to reach 10%. So if you buy $5,000 account, or for you to get funded, all you need to do is just to reach 10%. So 5,000 plus 10%, that will be equivalent to 500. So if you can reach 500 or on this account of the express late, you are going to get funded instantly. But remember, you are going to take pay after 1 month. So every month, you are going to be taking pay on a monthly basis. But if you don't like, if but it's okay, like it's okay if taking pay on a monthly basis is not bad, it's good. But if you want to like take pay every 2 weeks, then you can go for bi-weekly payout. Okay, so there's how SS late, but the SS late is more expensive. The price is $69 for the SS. Let me say SS express late is $69 for SS express late. For the evaluation or for bi-weekly and evaluation, it's just $57. So you just work with the one that's in your budget. If you can afford the express late, if you can afford the express late, definitely you should go for it. But if you can't afford it, you can afford the evaluation, the two phrases, you should go for it. But I will advise you uh to take the express late. Express late, like, is very fast. You don't have to waste time. Like, sharp sharp. Once you pass, you get your funds. Once you as soon you click 10%, they'll give you your real account. You start trading, you start making money. There's no time to sleep. Like, we need to get rid of all the poverty. We need to break the curse. We need to break generational curses. So like there's no time to waste. There's no time to play. Like go straight for a one phrase. The moment you pass it, boom, you start killing the market back to back. Like there's no time to sleep, guys. Let's see how our trade is playing out. Damn, like this market is really coming our favor. We didn't enter all our position, but it's okay. Currently, right now we're making like 400 on this trade, but we didn't enter all our position. It will soon be hitting our TP. I think I will adjust the TP somewhere around here to be more reasonable. I will adjust it here. Once we reach there, we're just going to go out straight. Or otherwise, once we hit 500, I'll consider closing. Okay. If we hit 500, I'll consider closing this trade. 500 is good for us. It's good for we. We can manage that. Once we reach 500, I'll close this trade. Sometimes you don't have to be greedy. You just have to be satisfied with what the market is giving you. You have to be satisfied with what the market is giving you. Overall, our take profit is right here, but what you are seeing is reasonable. You can take it. You don't have to be greedy. You understand? Even right now, I can even take this if I want to. But I still positive that there's more light that the market have more room to go. I'm positive the market might even think all the way down here. But we don't want to take that risk. We are just okay with what the market is giving us. We're good. We're okay. We move. We're chilling. No hard feelings. We come back another day. So once we reach our target, we are done. Guys, money everywhere, man.
Money
Money
everywhere,
everywhere. I was
money
like,
everywhere,
this
money
thing is not
everywhere.
that difficult. Like, it's any practice and patience. That's all. Like, trust me, you'll make this money.
Me, I
Like,
know. I'm seeing so many millionaires in the group here.
of course,
I'm seeing
once we
so
are
many
together, we're
millionaires.
gonna make it big. Like, they just like, I don't gonna take this, bro. I see.
Yeah, me, I know.
So guys, we are
Listen,
closing our intro at this point. It's okay, but I'm still expecting a pushback. So like we are going to kill
yes,
this market today.
let's take it. When we
Bec-
go out,
Yeah,
we can take it again.
I'm still
Go out
anticipating a
of retest.
pushback. I'm still anticipating, so we are
If you
taking
want
it
to leave
right
it,
here.
or we can leave one, the one out here. We can leave one, then we'll swim on it for tonight.
Yeah, yeah.
Because gold
So
is thinking once it break that zone, it will think.
yeah.
Let's
So
leave one, yeah.
so like that is just it, guys. Like you don't have to make the thing look so like as if it's so complicated. It's not that like it's not that complicated. It's just hard work, patience, diligence. Like you just need to be consistent on the chart and keep doing what you're doing. Guarantee it's going to work out for you like 100%. Just keep it patient. Like right now, I'll take probably a smash already.
Let's see.
So let us show our face so you guys can see our ugly faces.
Yeah.
So right now, like we are just
We are going millionaire.
taking some coffee while waiting for the market to play out.
Yeah.
TPI already smashed. You can check the chart. Let me show you guys the chart right now. The TP has already smashed. Boom. TP smashed.
It's smash.
But remember, we still have another position that is still currently running.
Yeah.
So that's what we'll do, guys. Like as you can see today, we just launched this account. We're already in almost reaching $1,000 on it.
Almost.
They just how simple this thing is, guys. Like
Yeah.
you don't have to make it so complicated. Simple and
Take
easy.
it. We'll take
So like, but I still believe that that's like
yeah,
this
let's leave
market is
it.
going to flash back up, but we'll not be greedy. We'll take this.
Yeah.
We'll come back tomorrow, 800.
Yeah.
We are good.
Good to go.
Almost 800. So
Just
like
$5.
today we'll make like 800. We count the history. I can say almost 800.
Imagine just
Yeah, we make 800. The broker can take that commission
yeah.
within
Within out of 1 hour, 30 minutes.
within 1 hour. Able to make 800, bro. Like which which
And
which
someone
which
hold two more
which
salary.
job in Africa right now can give you this kind of money within an hour? 800. Unless you are working, even in the United States, you have to be a doctor or a surgeon to
Yes.
make this kind of money. $812 within few hours just on gold alone. So imagine we still have GDP to trade, we still have other currency pair. I'm expecting a push up, but if this market doesn't push up, it's okay. But I'm expecting a push up here. We'll re-enter again. They just what I will do all day, bro. All day. I'm expecting a push here. If this market push here, I'm readjusting our entry here. So we're going to enter from here. So let's just wait and see what this market is doing.
Guys, just share the link to
Share the
others.
link. Tell friends
Those
to
who
join.
want to.
Those who want to join, let them join. Like we gotta break the curse, guys.
Of course,
We
it's too
gotta
much.
break the curse.
We have tasted poverty too much.
We are tasted it just
Too much.
it's just so much
You are
like
not alone. You guys are not alone.
as
So
you guys see it's about to give another entry again. We are waiting for another push up here. We are still going to take this trade. If the market push here, we are going to enter again. We are still on the straight. So we are still watching out. So let's just be talking. We'll update you guys. So they just what we do, guys. Like every day, we just sit here and just make this money. Just easy. It's just so easy. Like you don't have to do so much. I'm telling you, Forex can change your life. Like you just
guarantee.
need to keep focused and be diligent and continue doing what you're doing over time. You're going to see the difference. 100%. You're going to see the difference. So like if you're not making money, don't worry. Next time we'll come back on live. We'll see if we have more time. We'll be taking live session with you guys all the time. We'll be training live for you guys so that you guys can like get the energy so that you guys can be inspired. So that if we eating, we eat together. If we're losing, we lose together.
Don't trade forex
Like
alone. It's difficult. It will
what?
be hard for you to
That's
be successful.
why would you want to trade alone? Like
Yes, it's
always
difficult.
trade with a team.
The
Like
team.
it's better you trade with a team. So
Yeah.
like if you're any part of the world like this, what all we do, we trade together, we analyze together,
And
we make the
share
money
ideas
together.
together. We interact at least. Yeah.
That is just all we do. Like that is just all we do. But we are still watching the chat. If you give us another entry, we're gonna take it. We are not sleeping on it. So keep your eyes on the chat. We'll update you guys. So that's it, guys. Like
So I think I don't know. This is it for today because I don't want to watch this video.
yeah, I think we don't want to make it so long. So we
Yeah.
are very sorry we are going to be ending this live session right
Tomorrow
now.
again. Tomorrow again.
So
We'll send the timetable
as you
tonight.
guys see, Price is coming back for another entry for us here. So we're going to enter again. But other than that, we are still chilling, and we might come back tomorrow if we have the time. We'll see if we can arrange time and come back tomorrow.
Send a timetable.
Huh?
Timetable.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, we are actually planning just a brief conversation. We are actually planning to be live on Monday to give breakdown of the week. And Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, we will be trading behind the scene. We will only send signal.
Of course.
Thursday, Friday, we will trade live for you guys. Saturday, Zoom meeting, we interact where you know that you're facing some difficulties in your analysis, where you're facing difficulty about risk management, price action, market structure,
Cool.
like how to like calculate your pips and how to use trading views. We will be interacting with you guys on Saturday, just an interacting section Saturday,
Of
and that
course.
over Thursday, Friday live, Tuesday, Wednesday. But anyway, we are going to send a
We'll
timetable.
send the timetable and
Yeah.
we'll update you guys. So have a wonderful day.
Yeah.
If like don't chase the market. If it come here, you should don't
Enter
enter
if you
all your
want to.
position. You can enter if you want to, but if you already make profit for today, you can stay out. Maybe we might even stay out because sometimes you don't have to be greedy. So
Mm.
like all depends. But if it come here and give good entry point for us, like I want to see some kind of push and reject and push around here, retest. I mean. Once the market returns around here, we're gonna be entering again. So this is guys like power, power,
Pow,
power,
pow,
power,
pow,
power,
pow,
power.
pow, pow,
That's
pow,
what
pow,
we do,
pow,
guys.
pow, pow, pow,
That's
pow,
just
pow,
what we do.
fire, fire, fire,
So
fire,
like,
drop fire in the box,
so
fire, fire, fire,
if
fire.
like if you're not in a mentorship, we'd like you guys to take the mentorship serious to join the link.
Yeah.
Follow us on Telegram. You can even follow us on Instagram. Uh, so that you can follow, keep speaking updated of what we're up to.
Let me send the link.
Let me see what GDP is doing.
Pin the link.
All right, we might get another entry again.
Yeah.
Another entry again coming very soon, so
Yeah.
that we can even start into our first one entry.
Yeah, you can take it.
At this point, we are taking another CL right here.
Yeah.
So like taking our first entry, but don't rush, guys. Like I said, the market might push up here, and like we are just entering early because we already make profit. We are risking some of it, but if you haven't make profit yet, just wait. The market might push here, and then you can enter. Otherwise, just chill, keep being updated. We'll update you guys as soon.
In a WhatsApp group, yeah.
Yeah, in the WhatsApp group.
Join
So
our
like,
channel, join our platform.
Join this. What Chris is saying, I'm seeing Chris message in the group.
Chris, send message.
Yeah, he's saying he's facing issue or something.
No, it was saying he said that we should discuss about consuming. That's why I told you to do it.
Oh,
We are
oh,
already done with that.
of course.
In network,
Oh, okay, okay,
like
okay.
you all have internet issues sometimes.
Yeah, yeah. But it's good, guys. So, we'll keep you guys updated. So for now, we just want to say thank you for tuning in with us.
Thank you. We love you guys.
Today was very amazing, and
Tomorrow again.
we come back tomorrow. If we have the time, we'll
Yeah.
update you guys. We'll have the time. We'll come back tomorrow.
Yes, yes.
If you like the video, please like. You can share with your friends that is training back home or whatsoever so that they can come together so that we can form a very big family. You understand? Like we want this thing to go global. Like it don't only have to be India and Liberia or what. Like we want it to be global so that whatever part of the world you are, like we want you to share this link with your friends around so that we can come together as a team and trade life together and make the money together. So peace out.